Never before has my cat Whiskers laid on this machine dryer. Whenever there was food on that floor, right away she'll jump off and get it. But earlier today, I caught her eating her bag of kibbles on the floor. As you can see, there's a little bit of crumbs. You're not going to get your way, Whiskers. And because she's not getting her way, this is what she does. It's the first time that I'm seeing this. She's sucking up to me. Look what she's doing. You're not going to be fed tonight. I said no. I'm not mad at her. I'm just very surprised. She's very spoiled. I have her very spoiled. Now you're throwing a tantrum. Oh my God, I seen it all. All right. Just wait a little bit and I'll get you something to eat. Okay? Can you do that? Can you wait a little bit? Unbelievable. Look at this kitty. Total suck up. And I love you. I love you a lot, Whiskers. Unbelievable. Look, offer her a cup of kibble. She's acting this way. She loves to eat. When there's food, she doesn't listen to me. When there's no food now, I barely have enough for her for 2 or 3 days. That's all she's gonna have because I caught her a little while ago, a hole on the bag. You know what I mean. Look what you're doing. Look. Oh, you're so cute, Mama. I love you, sweetie. Yeah, mija. Say goodbye.